my kids are anything like yours, they'll be in and out of cars and playing with all the switches and buttons until something breaks. Here, the light switch in the center of my console got snapped off. What do? Jump on Google, do a search. I found it, but $120 to get a full button kit here? No thanks. So as a designer, what can I do? Jump into SolidWorks, recreate the button, get all the details right, and 3D print it. So here I'm just going through the process of measuring with my calipers, building up those details, ready to 3D print. Now I've got to make sure things are within half a millimeter, so it all clips on and fits together. Relatively straightforward process. Let's slice it, get it on the Bambu Lab, get some supports happening, and here we go. Printed, done, check. Supports ripped off, check. Fit, good. Problem solved.